Okay, hi guys, we're back with another inventory haul. Y'all, I'm excited about this inventory haul because I got a lot of goodies. Oh, I'm already seeing. Look, y'all. So I seen this on TikTok and it's pink. And this is a microphone, y'all. So y'all are gonna be able to hear me so crisp and clear. Oh, content gonna be better. I got some more heat transfer paper, so you know we about to do some projects. I got some more stuff so I could pack my shirt. And that's it, y'all. But this right here, look, y'all. So little, so cute. And this what goes in the phone.